Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain National Park Service app review to see with what you're using. So let's dive into it. The National Park Service app is a free official tool for exploring over 420 US national park. It offers interactive map, park information, self-guide tour, and the accessibility details with amenities location and the ability to download content for offline use, making it especially useful in areas with no signals. The interface is clean and user-friendly, and because it's developed by the NPS, the information is reliable and up to date for most parks. However, some parks have incomplete sales details or limited downloadable map, and there is no full synchronization of river rights or trip history across devices. A few users also note occasional glitches when using offline mode. And here's the very conclusion: the app worth it for travelers who want all-in-one national park companion with a trusted content, but expect some gap in coverage and synchronization. And that's it.